When investing in a cable recycling machine, customers usually have a few key concerns. 1. Can this machine really make money? The answer is yes, but it depends on the right configuration. Our cable recycling line is designed to achieve high copper purity and low material loss, which directly increases your profit. With stable performance and efficient separation, many customers are able to recover their investment in a relatively short time. 2. Can it handle my specific materials? Different customers deal with different types of cables, such as mixed wires, automotive cables, communication cables, or even jelly-filled wires. That's why we provide customized solutions based on your raw materials and capacity requirements. Optional pre-shredding and flexible configurations ensure the machine can adapt to your exact needs. 3. Who will buy the output copper and plastic? This is a very practical concern. We already work with reliable scrap buyers and recycling partners. Once you purchase our equipment, we can recommend potential buyers to help you quickly enter the market and start generating revenue. 4. Is the machine durable? What about maintenance cost? Our machines are built with high-quality components and durable blades, designed for long-term industrial use. At the same time, the system is optimized for easy maintenance and low operating cost, reducing downtime and ensuring continuous production. 5. Installation and after-sales support. We provide full support from installation to operation. This includes installation guidance, operation training, and remote technical support. Even if you are new to this industry, our team will help you get started smoothly. In a word, choosing the right cable recycling machine is not just about the equipment itself. It's about finding a reliable, profitable, and long-term solution. With the right setup, stable performance, and strong support, you can turn waste cables into a sustainable and profitable business. If you are interested in starting the wire recycling business, feel free to contact us for more info.